work your way back, we're going to move vehicles into that lot. Along Hamilton Street, reverse into the parking spaces. And then all the rest are going to come in here. And we're going to park them in the parking lot. Off on West State Street. Kevin, you can stand up there, right?
Since 2009, over 500 of the most beautiful cars, trucks, and motorcycles from as far as New York and Maryland have converged on Doylestown. Doylestown at Dusk is truly a top show of the calendar of the year. But it's also not just a collection of beautiful cars. It is a fundraiser for nonprofits.
This show is that this show is run by the Doylestown Rotary Club, and every single penny that we make from this show goes back into our local community by way of grants and scholarships and service projects.
General theme of Rotary is service above self. We are all people in this community who want to serve the community. So when you look at this car show and you see all of the moving parts and things that are happening, we love to serve the Doylestown community.
Night as I lay dreaming of pleasant days gone by, my mind was bent and rambling, and to Ireland I did fly. I stepped on board a vision, knowing I followed with a will.
Yeah!
His mama told me, Sonny, you'll be a man. You'll be the singer of a big old band. Maybe people coming in from miles around. You play your rhythm and the sun goes down. Maybe someday you'll let me up in lights. Johnny, be good tonight. Now go. Go, Johnny, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go, go. Johnny, be good.
One big round of applause for the 500 plus participants here tonight. Give them a round of applause. And a big round of applause for all our volunteers in the yellow shirts. Give them a big round of applause. They've been here all day.
There were 535 award winners in my mind today, really. And so we know that we don't give out nearly as many awards as we could because of all your beautiful cars. So we don't want you to leave tonight and feel disappointed, because if you were here tonight on the streets of Doylestown on this beautiful night sharing your vehicle with all of these spectators, I want you to know you won tonight. Whether you go home with an award or not, you won. Give yourselves a big hand.